Today we're checking out a $60 planner. It is called the Subscription Box Planner. It's from Jessica Principe, and I ordered this on pre-order back in December, and it just now got here in January, which don't worry, she did give plenty of warning that it would take that long. So it looks like it has it was free shipping, I believe. I think I only paid $60. So it has this, it's like, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a little defective on the cover. It's kind of dirty. It looks like they were stacked up somewhere. I don't know. It's had a rough life, but that's okay. Over here we have the cover, and it looks like, okay. So it's color, so that's pretty. Here is, I think this one's Jessica and this person is Becky. And the two of them run they like try to help you if you want to create a subscription box. I believe she sells the Lady Box, what is it called? The Shave Club for women versus I think the Shave Club for men was super popular. So that's probably a smart thing to offer. And over here we have 2022 at a glance. So it's a regular calendar. As you know, I don't know why I'm like passionately like unhappy with the Monday start for a monthly. But I do appreciate that she did color code the Saturday, Sunday, although it's really late, I can barely see it, but brainstorm your box. So over here, she has themes. So I think this whole thing is just going to walk you through how to create a subscription box. So over here, what are your customer needs? What problems are you going to solve? Here's a bunch of ideas. And here you have subscription. So every month, it assumes you're going to mail one every month, and maybe you have a new theme and some ideas and some affirmations for you in case you're like already thinking on this page, like I'm going to quit. The monthly rhythm cheat sheet. So your core four, I've heard this before. So like you need to like get into a process. So every month those subscription boxes ship out without delay. So this was a good example of all the dates that she has going on in order to get everything to ship out correctly. Over here we have monthly rhythm, cart open. Okay, so now you can plug your own dates in there. And then over here we have the subscription tracker, which is subscriber goal number 4, subscriber goal number 3. We have national holidays to think about. That's probably important for either themes or for thinking about shipping. Big picture goals for 2022. We have another set of that. We have a January. Now this is interesting. So January here, the monthly, has a normal Sunday start versus this one has a Monday. I wonder if sometimes I think this happens. People copy and paste the at a glance from like Canva or something. And if it started on Monday, that's just the template they ended up using. I'm guessing that's what happened. But okay, so she has you add important dates, tasks, execution steps, and holidays to your monthly planner. And then your social media planner, revenue conversion and traffic goals, your big 3 for the month. This month's theme, the date these boxes will ship, the date these boxes will be packed, the date I must receive all product. I like this. This is like helping you like really get organized every month. Product planning, so who you're going to order it from, how much it's going to cost, what's the wholesale, so then you can tell people the value, and did you get samples, orders received, total retail value of all products. And then weight restrictions, repackaging, do they fit in a box? All really good questions. And then over here, here's your pre-shipping checklist. So she has you asking 4 weeks before, 3, 2, and 1 week before. And then your marketing plan. So I like this. So it's January, so she's thinking already in terms of post-Christmas holiday sales, setting up a birthday flow, although this is obviously kind of late because it's January 24th today, but I guess maybe you could use it for January of next year while you're waiting for the next year's planner. January content planner, and then we have email campaign planner, and we have January in review. Okay, so now you've done everything. You're just going to talk about how it went, your KPIs, and then your January reflection. And now we go into weekly. So that's a little odd, but okay, so now we're going to get to weekly, my affirmation for this week. And it doesn't really tell you what week this is. Weekly plans. Okay, so now we have weekly plans. Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm guessing this is the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th. Is that correct? And then I guess they're undated. So I guess you get 3 dates done for you and the rest are just undated. And then it looks like we do a rinse and repeat for the weeklies every single week, again, with no more dates. That was really kind of odd. I don't know why she started out with dates and then was like, screw it. I'm not going to do any dates because she had so many dates before. Okay, so now we get into February and it looks like, let's see, I think it's going to be a rinse and repeat. So we got another affirmation. It tells you exactly the same thing on what to do. We have your social media planner. We have your monthly plan for subscribers, your big 3, your box, your vendors. Yeah, so it just kind of rinse and repeats. And I wonder if anything is different because she did do that. Oh, there it is. Jumping off ideas. Okay, so it looks like your jumping off ideas are different because they are specific to that holiday. How are your open email weights? So maybe she does use your numbers to guide you in making. Okay, so here's what's different every month from what I can tell so far. Your pro tip is always different. And your marketing plan is different. And this is the January, my monthly plan. And then I believe January had a marketing plan. Yeah, your January marketing plan. So your February monthly plan, let's look for that. New subscriber, monthly projection, revenue goal, new subscriber, monthly projection, revenue. Okay, so those are the same. But any of these boxes that say pro tip look like they are all unique and different. So I do like that. All right. So going through more pro tips for you, like sprinkled throughout. And then you got your February reflection. And then we go right into that weekly rinse and repeat. So I bet these, yeah, I think these are all, if I'm doing this correctly, these are all the same. Okay, so now we have quarter 2 is coming. So it's February and she's already telling you to start planning for April, May, June. So I do like that. And now she's telling you to do your quarterly plans right at the end of February. So this way you're not caught off guard. And then we go right into March. And again, we have our pro tip over here. And it looks like we have a March content planner. Oh, there's our marketing planner. So that's a little different. And it looks like there's no special holidays in March. So she had some more generic things in there. And then you go through your weeklies. I really love this planner. Like I'm very, very impressed. Like A+ for content, the way it's laid out, for the bright colors, and for the placement of where everything is. So I have like nothing bad to say about this planner, except for the Monday start in the very beginning. But that's so minor now because I really like the value that this planner provides. All right, so totally worth the $60. So here we go. We have our April marketing, which is different. And I believe the April monthly, nope, that's exactly the same. Just kidding. That's exactly the same. And then let's see, are there any other surprises in there? So we have our weekly again. And then we have the May social, the pro tips. We have the marketing planner for May, that's Mother's Day. And so this is really great. You could just keep going through and you can start, like, even though it's January, you could say, I'm going to launch my planner in May and then just start doing all of your May planning. And we go into those weeklies. And then we jump into, okay, so this is nice. So at the end of May, she has you planning for Q3, which is July, August, September. And then we have our marketing plan for June, Black Friday in June. Oh, that's a great idea. National Selfie Day giveaway, abandoned cart email flow. So it looks like she slowly just kind of covers everything without like overwhelming you. Sometimes with some of these books, they just overwhelm you with a bunch of information, like all the pro tips would be in the beginning. But I like how she's kind of like sprinkled it out. I mean, I really like everything she's done in this planner. Let's see. So the July marketing is over here, gift guide roundup, voice message connection, leftover inventory, flash sale. That's a great idea. And I really like Christmas in July, but maybe that's because I'm a crazy Hallmark channel, like super fan. All right, start a blog, pitch for press, back to school bonanza. So she's also having things inside of here that, again, most people would start out in the beginning and just overwhelm you. She's like, you know what, maybe it's time to start thinking about a blog. So again, every time I go through this more pages, I'm like, I just love this planner more and more. Okay, so now we're in September. So before September, she has you thinking about Q4, which is October, November, December. So like a month before that quarter starts, she has you thinking about things. So here's the September marketing: spruce up your welcome flow, mystery discount, and one last chance. And we go through our weeklies again. I'm basically just running through this to see her marketing plan, because I really like that spooktacular mystery box, family and friends, sales event, send a gift. And we got our weeklies. And then we go to November, kindness engagement, Black Friday, obviously, small business Saturday. And then, let's see, does she tell you to start thinking about Q1 here? Because it goes into a new calendar, right? A new planner. She doesn't. No. And then we go right into December and stocking stuffer sale, thank you, happy holidays campaign, and digital product sale. And then we're at the end. Let's see, is there anything special at the end? Or no, there's nothing special at the end. It is just goodbye. Or not even a goodbye. You're just done. All right, I love this planner. And I think she got these made at Kinko's. Not Kinko's. I keep saying that. Like, I'm so old. Kinko's is out of business. This is FedEx Print, because FedEx Print is super classic for putting these black pages on the back and this clear overlay on the top front one. But that's okay. I don't know what she did for printing. And this is classic Kinko's FedEx Print with plastic spiral coils. So, but it doesn't matter. I think the spiral, everything looked great. The only thing was my cover is kind of banged up, which, whatever. And then the Monday start was a little confusing, but I'm super glad that once we got into the monthlies started on a Sunday. I would have liked to have the holidays, though, incorporated already inside of here, especially because it's already a dated planner. I don't see any reason to make me rewrite them, especially because, I don't know where it was. You gave all the holidays in the beginning. Like, why should I have to write them again? It just seemed a little silly. So let me know what you thought. I really love this. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.